Okay, this is step one for creating a movie using Pinnacle Studios. You find the icon that looks like this on the desktop and open it up. You may have to click through some extra pop-up ads, just exit out of them so that ultimately you get a blank slate. If a slate opens up where there are all kinds of items in here, simply go to File and New, and you will have a brand new blank slate. Okay, so with that being said, we right now are in Timeline View, which is designated right here because it's highlighted, Timeline View. And that's where we'd like to be. We are using video, so Timeline View is the easiest to work with here. Step one is clicking on the titles. And we need to start off with 4 seconds of black so that it's kind of a lead-in time. So we're just going to grab the very first one because it is the most simple to eliminate any motion. So we're just going to simply find the delete key on the keyboard, press delete, and press OK. We now have 4 seconds of black. And the bell is ringing. Okay, next step, we're going to save it because we want to make sure it is saved properly. So we're going to go to File, Save Project As, and let's go to our computer first. Look for your name on the Panda server, your own name. Pop that to the top. Pop that to the top. And you're going to save it beginning with your class code, whatever that class code may be. So if it's 6th grade, of course it's going to be 6, and then whatever period you're in, 3, and then whatever quarter you're in. If it's first, there we go. And then I'm going to type Zamborski. Your last name, though, not my last name. Type your last name. Whoever the captain is of your group, so that we're all working on it together. Okay, but only one owner, even though more than one person may be working on a group. And we're going to press save. This way it's on the server, and we'll get rid of that. This way it's on the server, and it won't get deleted overnight. Okay, we've got this going on. Here are black 4 seconds. Now you can go ahead and click through and look through some of these motion titles that you think you might want to use. So I'm going to click on this one, drag this down, and type and you can adjust it right there. Move it up. Okay. If you would like to change the color or the way the text looks, simply select it all or do Control A, and then here you can drag down to see what colors you might like. Maybe red, white, and blue might look good. Let's double click then and see what that brings us. Very good. And you can play around. Oh, we don't want another text box. But, you know, go ahead and explore the other items if you'd like. But I'm going to leave it as that. Okay, so we have our 4 seconds of black and our title. All we need to do is Control S, like that it says there, or just save project, and it's going to save changes. Just in case it stops responding or the electricity goes out or whatever, we have it saved. Next is to bring in the pictures that you've been saving. To find the pictures, click under the T, and now we have to navigate to find your pictures. Now, we found pictures on our pledge folder. We made a pledge folder in our own folder. Where's my pledge? Here it is. And so I'm going to just double click, and now I see all of my patriotic pictures there. Now, if you're working in a group, don't worry. I will have moved your pictures from your partner's pledge folders into your pledge folder so that you will be able to use all of them. Okay? And then you can drag them in. We'll be able to make adjustments later once we have our video in. But right now, we'll just put in our pictures as we think we are going to like them. Be sure to press save and check back for the next lesson on how to add transitions, the movie, do the green screen, and the final closing ends.